Hello everyone, welcome to StockView channel. So in this channel, I post video and content related to stock market. If you are really interested to learn more content on stock market, please to subscribe my channel. And today's video is about how to draw the supply and demand. So how to trade using those supply and demand. I'm going to explain in this video. So in stock market, the price change is based upon supply and demand. If a stock has more demand, the particular share price will increase. If a share price of a company is decreasing, then those stock will have a supply. So based on that, we're going to take a trade. So I will explain how to make trade using those supply and demand. So I have following several steps for trading using supply and demand. So I will explain what are the steps to be followed for taking those trades using supply and demand zone. So firstly, I will take a technical chart of any you can take a technical chart of any company. So in technical chart, you can able to see the supply and demand zone. So based upon those zones, we can decide whether to buy a particular stock or sell a particular stock. So for that, we are going to use a technical chart of a particular any company you can choose. So I have chosen TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. So firstly, I will tell what are the steps to be followed. You should mark the important price levels. So I will explain how to mark the important price level. Then second point is make confirmation uh, price respecting those levels. You should make confirmation that the particular level you have marked, the price has to respect those levels. Then third point is buy when the price close above the supply zone. So you have to buy only when the price has been closed above the supply zone. Then fourth point is sell when the price close below the demand zone. So you should, if you are willing to selling a stock, you should sell when the price closes below the demand zone. So I will explain all these 4 point using TCS as an example. So I'm not recommending this particular stock to buy or sell. I'm just giving an example of how to take a trade using those 4 points I have explained previously. So firstly, mark important price levels. So what I'm doing is uh, I am marking the levels, price levels based upon several times the price have been testing those levels. For example, if you see uh, this important level, I am taking this price because this is the price presently the share of the TCS is trading around, that is like 2200 to 2250. So why I am marking this as a important price level? If you see, there are several touches like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are nearly 7 times the price have uh, tested those price levels, which is 2200 to 2250. So that is an important price level. So whenever the price reaches those level, the supply has been created and the sellers are selling those stocks, selling TCS. There are several times, like 7 times, price went to those level, and seller gave the pressure, and buyer's pressure is uh, consistently decreasing when the market price is reaching those levels. So likely, so that is why I'm choosing this price level as a important price level. So make confirmation price respecting those levels. Second point, making confirmation. So if you see, like there are 7 times it is confirmed that the price is respecting, because whenever the price reaching those level, sellers coming and selling those TCS stock, like 7 times. So second point, confirmation is also done. So buy when the price close above the supply zone. So this is the important point. So supply zone is this, like 2215 to 2250. This is the supply level. So third point, if you want to buy TCS, the price should close above those level. So what happened now is the price has been uh, retesting the supply levels for the eighth time, and it broke the supply zone, and made a close above the supply zone, which is 2215 to 2250. So the price went to up 2300 and made close so above the supply zone. So this supply zone now become as a demand zone. So again the price is retesting the demand zone here, and it again starting to move up. So this is the right time to buy TCS. Like if you enter the trade when the price has broken, you are an aggressive trader. When the price is again retesting the demand zone, when you buy at that time, you are a conservative traders. So conservative traders always wait for the confirmation. So the second time the price is testing the demand zone. Previously it was supply zone. Once it breaks, the price breaks the supply zone, it is converted as demand zone. So the price again testing the demand zone. So and start after testing, it likely to move up. So you can buy the TCS stock at current levels. So we can check the past data also, how the supply and demand worked here. If you see here, similarly like here, there are several times the price, whenever the price reaches those level, it has been rejected, and sellers started to selling at those levels. Once the price break here, once the price break here, then second time uh, it acted as a demand zone. Previously it was a supply zone. Once the price breaks here, and it went up and closed above the supply zone, then it has converted as demand zone. So price again retested the demand zone and started moving up. So similarly, this was a supply zone. The price went up, and sellers coming and selling the stock. Once it has broken those supply zone, it went up. Again, it retested the this supply zone here acted as a demand zone, and when the price is at demand zone, buyers will give pressure, more pressure, and buy the stock. So this is the way that supply and demand zone act. Whenever the price is reaching the supply zone, the seller will give pressure. Whenever the price is reaching the demand zone, the buyer will give pressure. So if you see here, like similarly, this was previously acting as supply zone. The price tried to break that level and failed. Second time it tried and failed, and like fourth time it break that level, and the price went to high of 22150, like sorry 2150, and again came and retested the supply zone, which is previously supply zone. Currently, once the price breaks that, it will act as a demand zone. So in demand zone, buyer will give pressure,